No matter what type of hearing aid you wear, it's important to clean them regularly to keep them free from wax so you can hear clearly. You may have an in-the-ear, in-the-canal, or a completely in-the-canal hearing aid. They each look slightly different, but are cleaned in the same way. There are some simple steps for cleaning your hearing aid, which you should do daily. First, wipe the hearing aid using a clean, dry cloth. Using the brush provided with your hearing aid, gently remove any wax or debris from the device. Brush over the filter and microphones. Your hearing aids may have a vent. This is a hole that goes through the entire hearing aid. Using the pick you were supplied with, remove any wax from the vent, but do not use your pick on the filter, as you may damage it. If you were unable to clean the wax filter with the brush, you will need to replace it. If you feel comfortable changing the filter, follow the next steps. If you don't, our audiology professionals are ready to help you install. Take a new filter stick. You can get replacements like this one from Specsavers stores. Your filter stick may look different to this one, but the process is the same. Each stick has two ends. One end has the new filter, the other end is the removal tool. Insert the removal end into the sound outlet and gently remove the stick. Turn the stick around, push the new filter into the sound outlet and remove the stick. The new filter will now be attached to the hearing aid. Discard the stick after use. Never wash your hearing aid with water, soap, chemicals, or use any alcohol, as this will damage the hearing aid. If you would like some assistance, our audiology professionals are always here to help. Contact your local Specsavers or book a hearing aid repair appointment online.